Yes sir, rise and grind, back at you with another video with the Pull Up King. In this video we got a 2019 Kia Sorento. This is a LX 3.3 V6, and we're going to be doing the spark plugs on it and change one coil pack on it, cylinder 4. So let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, we pop this off here. Just pull it up and pull up on it to come off. Alright, I pulled that off. Got that cover off of there. Coil packs, 10mm. Want to hit those. Pull those up and out. Alright, we got them coil packs out. Now we can get to the spark plugs. Alright, we get them all out. 5/8 socket. NGK. Iridium. Going back with some NGKs. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and put these coil packs back in there. This is number 4. I believe, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. This is cylinder 4, so I'm gonna be replacing this coil pack right here. But I'm gonna go ahead and start on the intake manifold. Alright, we're gonna start with this hose right here. So I went ahead and took off this clamp, brought that back. These 2 clamps here, took those off, and I know this is a 10mm back here. Gotta get that off, and then we can remove this little bracket. So I got that 10mm out with a 10mm wrench. Got that off. I took off this harness here for that sensor. Pulled that out from there, and as you can see, gotta get in here, get a flathead, something, push those tabs in. That's how that works. I need 2 hands. Oh, got it out. Alright, so I took these 10mm out here. Right in the front. That way we can get down there and see those bolts for the manifold. Took these 2 10mm out here. Alright. That bolt right there. 10mm. Took that out. And there's another one on the other side. Hit those. I hit this right here on this bracket. Get that bracket off with the sensor. Remove this hose. Right, you want to pull that hose off from right there. And right here. Pull that off. So all of that is basically wrapped around here. And it stops right here. So get all of that off of the intake. Yeah, so I took that hose off from there. This other one here, I took that off from right there. And this whole piece can come off, but I didn't take it off because it's connected down here. Alright, we get over here. Now this sensor here, that's what I'm looking at. I can take it off from here, but I want to just take the whole bracket off. Alright, so when I take off this 10 mil, this bracket should release this here. Yep, like I wanted. And this will come off as well. Alright, so pull that off like that. Get that hose off. Cut that off. Now you can see, remove this hose completely off the manifold. Now we're gonna hit that bolt, hit that one, that one, and that one. Got 4 of them in the front. All right, we're gonna get over here to this throttle body. Now, probably gonna have to remove that sensor. Take that sensor off, and 10 mil here. All right, this hose right here. I undid that clip there. See where that connects to right there. Now we can pull this off. Alright, see what else we got. Alright, so this hose here, I'm gonna undo that. It connects to the throttle body right there. Right there. Alright, get that off. Now we can move around. I don't know if there's anything else connected. Might have to take off this throttle body because the coolant lines down here. Let's see if it's, yeah, it's connected down here. So we got 2 lines right there. Go up to the throttle body. So we're gonna hit this throttle body for 10 millimeter bolts holding it in. All right, we got all 4 of those out. Everything dropped. Get out the way. So in all actuality, you don't have to remove the throttle body connector. You can put that back in there. All right, we're moving around, and I see another hose. This thing, boy, they ain't playing. All right, that hose right there, it comes up and attaches to that right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that hose. Alright, we got that hose off. Let's see what happens now. Please let it be free. Hope it's nothing else, man. I feel like it's gonna be free. Yes, sir. That's the back 3. Let's go ahead and hit it. Alright, here is your gaskets for your intake manifold. You can go ahead and replace those while it's off. Alright, we got the other 3 in the back coil packs out. Alright, we got our spark plugs, brand new. This part number. Go ahead and put some anti-seize on the thread. Alright, we got our spark plugs in. We're going to go ahead and install the coil packs. Now, cylinder 4, I'm going to go ahead and replace that coil pack while it's out. You want to pull this tab out. You have to squeeze both sides and pull it out. I did it with some pliers. And then you got to press this black tab in and get that undone. Alright, this is our new coil pack. Part number is on it, C0304-MISFIRE. Go ahead and swap that out. Alright, we in there. Now these parts are from Duralast, it's from AutoZone. Alright, we got our spark plugs and coil packs in. I'm gonna go ahead and reverse order with the intake manifold. Alright, we got it in place. And hook everything else up, man. Alright, we got that throttle body back on. Got that connected. I'm gonna finish that up after I put that on there. And that is it, man. Not too bad of a job. I did it, but it took me about less than 2 hours, I can tell you that. It's not bad at all. All right, man. Hope the video helped out. Until next time, Pull Up King.